Hello traders, this is Umar with you and hope you are all doing good. So in this video we will talk about two things. First thing, we will talk about the market. If you know, markets are really volatile. In fact, Nifty has been reversing. It has touched almost lifetime high. Today morning we gapped up and almost touched lifetime high, or we might be testing new lifetime high. We touched around 17,800 850 levels, then we came all the way down to 17,600, right? So it's a 200 points move, and you know what is happening into Bank Nifty also, same scenario. Apart from the markets, we will also discuss about Sensibull. If you know what is Sensibull, we have partnered with Sensibull, so they are giving us good discount. And if you are an option seller, you know the importance of Sensibull. Sensibull is an option trading platform where you design strategies, option strategies, whether you are a buyer or seller. You design strategies, you deploy that strategies, or if you want to make any adjustment, you can use Sensibull as a complete option trading platform, where you can do all these things, right? Whatever I told you, you can do everything with Sensibull. And if your stockbroker is Zerodha or 5 Paisa or Upstock or IFFL, they have partnered with some brokers. So in case you are broking with them, you are having your stockbroker is one of those brokers, so you can directly trade in Sensibull trading platform. You don't have to go into your stock trading platform and do this option selling, or these trades can be executed in Sensibull directly. You don't have to go to your trading platform, right? So there are many benefits about that. But first, let's see what is happening in the market, right? Now, if you see the US market, there are concerns about inflation data, and if you see crude prices is inching up. It's almost $80. So crude price going up is not a good thing in the already inflated market. If you see, inflation is already high. When the inflation is already high and if the crude prices are going up, it is going to cause inflation buffer only. Like, inflation is going to be on the higher side if crude price is also going to rise. Now already we are having a high inflation, plus if the crude prices rise, inflation is going to be much more higher. So this is one concern. Plus there is this China Evergrande and Fantasia issue is going on. Plus, you know what is happening in US federal, they are running out of money, and Joe Biden came out today and he was blaming the opposite party. So there's a fight between Democrats and Republicans in the Congress. So who's going to pass this bill? So I don't want to go into that, right? So they are fighting, and the deadline is around October 20th, I think. So that is the day when the Federal Reserve Treasury is going to it's going to run out of money. So that is going to be the date where Federal Treasury is going to default in its payment, whether it is salary or any other thing. That is the day. So these all things are keeping the market concerned, and markets are going on the downside, right? As of now, when I talk, US futures are down deep in the red. It's down by 200 points. Then S&P, Nasdaq, European markets, and even the Asian futures are also in the red, right? Asian futures are also in the red. US markets are in the red, and the European markets are also in the red. And FI data, if you see, they have been selling for the last 2 or 3 trading session. Not last 2 or 3 trading session. From yesterday's trading session, they have been selling, right? Aggressively selling. They have sold in a span of around 2,000 crores. And today also, I hope they would have sold. And if you see, one more thing I want to show you is that there is a Nifty future is trading at a huge discount, around 35 points discount. Nifty future is trading. So that's a warning sign. So you have to remember, market participants are not willing to take the market on the upside. If future is trading at a premium, you know it is bullish sign, and when it is trading at a discount, it is bearish sign. And this alone, not only that, if you see the open interest data, there is aggressive call rating from 17,700 all the way till 18,000. There is no put rating at all. Put unwinding is only happening. Massive call rating between 18,000 and 17,700. So market participants are bearish, and they think markets are likely to go on the downside, right? And same thing is happening in Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty, I think 38,000 is having the highest call option, and that signifies that markets are going to go on the downside, and 38,000 is going to be a stiff resistance. Now coming back to our this thing, Sensibull thing. Now let us say, let me talk about Sensibull first. Now if you know what is Sensibull, Sensibull is a trading platform, option trading platform, where you can do many strategies, you can build strategies, you can deploy a strategy, you can adjust strategies, you can do adjustment in Sensibull, plus you can analyze the market. Say for example, this open interest data which I showed here now is from Sensibull. So if you want, you can have get access to these data from Sensibull, or if you want FIA data, you can get access from these data from Sensibull. So apart from these data, you can also build a strategy and deploy a strategy. If you are following us, or if you have been our subscriber, you know that we have talked about many strategies, and all these strategies are done in Sensibull. So you can test some strategies also, and they have some other this learning option also, virtual trade they are having. So social trading is there, so there are many traders who are making money. You can follow them also. So there are many options in Sensibull. Now if you go for subscription in Sensibull website, they are going to charge you 680 rupees for 1 month. So you go for 6 months pro plan, which is costing you around 4,080 rupees, and a GST of 18% will cost you around 734 rupees. Now if you subscribe the same Sensibull 6 months pro plan with via this channel, via Option Sense, now how much they are going to charge is around 4,999 rupees. So they are going to charge, I think, roughly 180 rupees extra. So what you are getting is, you are getting 8-month access. If you go and directly subscribe in Sensibull website, you are going to get 6-month access for around 4,814. But when you subscribe through us, you are going to get 8-month access for 4,999. Remember, right? Let me say it again. For if you go and directly subscribe in Sensibull account, Sensibull website, you are going to get 6-month access for 4,814. That is including GST. If you subscribe through this channel, 4,999 you are paying, and you are going to get 8-month access. So 2-month extra access you are going to get. So if you want, you can go and subscribe. So now why I am saying this, because as an option seller, or if you are an option seller or option buyer, I know how much important Sensibull is there. These option trading platforms are. You need them to know what is your break-even point, or you need to know how things work when you deploy a strategy, or what is happening in the strategy. So it gives you a eagle eye view, right? So what is happening in your strategies, or how can you manage your strategies, or how can you do some adjustment in this strategy. So Sensibull is a kind of good thing if you are an option seller. So if you want, you can go and subscribe. I will leave the description in the link below. So that's it for today. I hope I have talked so much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.